we have EhrabMoney.
Oh, there he is, EhrabMoney.
Yeah, so he's saying layer 2 is secured by the layer 1. Layer 1 has its own security. Layer 0 is protocol like Polkadot. So immutable X is layer 2. Okay, can you make sense out of all of that?
Well, so I will say EhrabMoney, he's definitely an expert in the space as well.
Awesome.
When we were getting set up here, I sent out a couple of bat signals to a couple of groups I'm in, and he must
welcome,
have
Ehrab.
came and joined in. Even at one point, me and Ehrab were discussing some kind of stockpile of GPUs he had for people connected to Epic Cash. That's cool that he hopped in here to
Nice.
say what's
nice.
up.
Nice. So